Good morning, my name is Luis. I collaborate with Spota Home, and now I show you this apartment. This apartment is in the San Marcelino neighborhood. In first place, we have a living room with a kitchen. The kitchen is open to the living room. We have one table for it. A microwave, washing machine, oven, and the fridge. Now I show you the first bathroom. We have a sink, a toilet, and a shower. This is the first room. It has a double bed. And the second room to have two single beds. And the closet. This apartment is near to the college, and the restaurants, shops, supermarkets have very many gardens near to the apartment.